Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to actually take the interim assessment on ETS. So let's get started. So last time I showed you guys how to download the ETS browser. Now we're going to use that browser for today's testing, the interim assessment. Now before we get started, we have to make sure we close all of our websites. So as you can see, I have Google Chrome up. Now the tendency is to press the X button here on top. And sure, yeah, it clears it from your screen, but it's not closed. Like if you see further down here, there's actually a little black dot underneath the application. That means it's still open. So what you have to do instead is go up to where it says Chrome and click Quit Google Chrome. And you'll see that little black dot on the bottom disappears. You need to do this for Google Chrome and for Safari. Now to get to the program, if you look back at your bottom, you do have this entire menu available for you. The one you're looking for is a rocket ship that says Launchpad. If you click on the rocket ship Launchpad, you'll have access to all of your applications. And as you see right here, it says Start Online Testing. This is actually the ETS browser you guys downloaded last time. It changes its name when it downloads. So once you have it downloaded, just go ahead and open it up. Now, as you notice, it will start loading the system configuration. If you have any browsers up, that security configuration will keep you from going further. So when you are done, you should have something that says Star. Then it'll ask you to take a summative, interim, practice, tutorials, whatnot. You're going to be taking the interim assessment. That's that button right here. So your teacher should have given you a username, password, and a session ID to take the interim assessment. Now please be careful. The username and password are not the same at your school. Your teacher has to give you a specific one for this program, so keep an eye out for that one. And be very careful when you're inputting your username, password, and session ID, as too many errors on actually inputting it will cause the system to shut down on you. So this is the Start Interim test when you're inside. There are a lot of great tools up here. I'm not going to go through all of them, but there's Eliminator, Sticky Notes, Dictionary, and Pencil. If you guys have any questions on how to use those, they have a help button right here that'll explain how to use each of these tools. To answer a question, all you have to do is click the correct answer and move on using the next button. Now let's say you have already completed the test, you went through all questions in the section. You'll click the Review and End button. This will show you all the questions you have answered. Now, this is final, so be very careful when you have chosen that End and Review. That means you can't go back. You'll be clicking that End Section 1 or End Section 2 or maybe even End Test, depending where you are at, but it does finalize it and it does set up for it to score. Now, let's say you are given extra time to work on the interim assessment. To extend your time and to save it for the next class, up here back of the blue bar, you will see Logout. Press Logout and it'll ask you if you want to log out. Now note, when you log out, it's not going to score the test. This is just if you need to come back for extra time. So you press log out one more time. It'll close the test and you're able to take it again the next class. Again, this is only if you need extended time. So I hope all of that helped, guys, and I'll see you guys in class. Bye.